Welcome back to the Liam Garvin Show. Mr. President, you were discussing digital etiquette before the break?
Yes, I was. There are many examples of bad digital etiquette having negative effects on people's lives. In fact, a juror was reprimanded for putting info about a trial on the web. A woman who was part of a jury posted on her Facebook about a trial and asked her friends to weigh in on the case. The woman was quickly dismissed and faced legal action.
Fascinating, sir. This sure seems like a bigger issue now than ever before.
Oh, most definitely. These things were not a problem 10 years ago, but as technology advances, so does the threat of making a big mistake on the web.
Fantastic. We'll be back after this with more of the president.